go? Please, does anyone know? When your car shut out the voices and your head's about to blow, where'd you go? Please, does anyone know? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Please, does anyone know?
I've got a photograph of you kept in a box of memories, and when I feel breakable I take it out and look into your eyes, hoping you'll tell me what to do, give me some guidance. Always unshakable, your voice was strong and beautiful and wise. Look at the cloudless day, you captured me smiling. A fantasy life, you say, is our silver lining.